And now the news in detail. Trinamool Congress President Charles Pyngrope has hinted at the possibility of joining the Congress party in the future. While he has not made a definitive decision, Pyngrope acknowledged growing speculation following the defection of certain 100 TMC workers to Congress. He clarified that he has not set any condition for the MPCC Chief Vincent Pala's exit before his potential move.
I'm ready to work with anybody. Who am I? I'm just a member. I'm not being contacted officially by anybody, whether it's Congress or the NPP or the BJP. No one has contacted me officially or the BJP. I have not given that a thought because I'm still the president of the TMC. No, nothing else. But a registered member.
Yes. So also there have been.
But please don't write he's joined. Okay.